Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful herringbone headband. It's very easy and I will show you exactly the way to do it from start to finish. I did mine 7 centimeters wide. You can of course do it wider. You will just add a few extra rows. But let's begin. First, a little about the materials. For the yarn, I've used this merino mix. It's 70% acrylics and then 30% merino. It's a really nice yarn. Doesn't say says the weight of the yarn, but I think it feels like a bulky weight 5. So you can use any bulky weight 5 yarn for this. Then I've used a 6mm crochet hook, some scissors, and a tapestry needle. So we begin with a slip knot. And then for this we chain 70. Yarn over, pull through 70 times. Try measuring around your head and make sure it fits. If the 70 chains is too much, you will chain fewer, and you can chain more if it doesn't fit. I will just chain a few, just to show you. I won't be showing you all 70 chains. But let's pretend I have. Now for the first row, I will skip the first chain right here, and in the second one I will do a single crochet. So insert the hook in the first chain, or in the second, sorry, because you skipped the first one, and single crochet. So now you have, I will show you, you have this loop and you have this loop. You will now insert the hook under the second loop and then in the next chain. Then yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all 3. That's your first herringbone stitch. Now you have 3 loops. You have this one, and this one. In this last one, you will now insert the hook. And then in the next chain, then yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. And this you will continue all the way across. So you have 1, 2, 3, the third loop, and then your next chain, and pull up a loop, and all 3. Continue like this all the way across. When you make it all the way to the other end, you chain 1, and then you turn the work. For this stitch, you will have a right side and a wrong side. We will now be working from the wrong side, so the wrong side will be facing you, and you have the right side on the back side. We will always be inserting the hook from the right side. So when you're working with the wrong side facing you, you will insert the hook from the right side. So you will skip your turning chain and insert the hook in the next stitch. So move the yarn to the front and then insert the hook from the back side and through the stitch and also through the third loop. So actually through all 3 loops. Then grab the yarn, pull through and pull up so you keep it loose. Then yarn over and pull through. So that's the first stitch. Again, look on the back side, insert the hook through this to make the herringbone stitch. Then insert the hook in the next stitch through all 3 loops, so also the third loop down here. So 3 loops. Then grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and pull it up good, so you keep it loose. I can see I lost this little loop, so I will just catch this. So I have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And then again, from the back side, insert the hook in this, and then in the next stitch, through 1, 2, 3 loops. Grab the yarn, pull up a loop, pull it up good, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. So you see the herringbone stitch becoming on the back side, which is the front side. And you will just repeat this all the way across. So insert the hook in this, and then in the next stitch, through all 3 loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, and pull it up so keep it loose, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Just repeat all the way across. And that's row 2. We will again finish with a chain 1 to turn, and then we have the front facing us again. So we have row 1 down here, then we have row 2, and we will now repeat row 1 again. So you skip your turning chain, and then you begin with a single crochet in the first stitch. So just insert the hook and do a regular single crochet in the first stitch. Now in the next one, you will grab this loop here and then insert the hook in the next stitch, but through all 3 loops. So 1, 2, and also this third loop back here. And then grab the yarn, pull through, and then pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. And repeat. Insert the hook in this loop, and then in the next stitch through all 3. You see all 3 loops here, 1, 2, 3. Grab the yarn, pull through, and pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. And repeat. Insert the hook, and through all 3, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and pull through all 3. It's getting nice. Insert the hook in the 3 stitches, or 3 loops, sorry. Pull it up, yarn over, and pull through all 3. You just repeat this step or this stitch all the way across. When you make it all the way across, you repeat row 2 again, so the row where you were working on the back side through the front side. So you can just start over the video if you need to see that row again, or you will just do it. But repeat these 2 rows, this row 2 and row 3, just repeat those again and again until you think the headband is wide enough. I did 7 rows and this measures 7 centimeters. You can do it wider, just continue with another row or 2. Now I will cut the yarn and sew this headband together. So pull this one through the loop and then fold the headband like this so you have the wrong side out. Well, I have this little fuss thing. So sew it together on the back side. I will just sew it together with the whip stitch. I don't know any other fancy stitches. I'm a one-trick pony. I just crochet. That's my force. So I will just sew it together all the way across. And of course, when you're all the way at the end, you will weave in the yarn end so it won't unravel. Just do it 3 times back and forth without pulling the stitches. It will be a shame because this herringbone stitch is just so beautiful. Cut the yarn, and then we can turn it around and see the result, and it's so pretty. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.